Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for recipes on the ALDI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the recipes button down below, which is the fourth option. Here tap on the second button and you can select from these categories such as lactose-free, vegan or vegetarian, or desserts, grill and other options that are available. Here you can find the relevant recipes. If you want to, you can add filters. If you want to, tap on the recipe and here you can check out the video if there is any attached to it. You can check out the ingredients and how to make it. Then if you want to add it to your recipes, click on this bookmark icon. So if you tap on the three dots icon and tap on my recipes, you are going to find the added recipes here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.